to see behind me is the Surya Kiran aerobatic team in the skies of Yelahanka, Bengaluru at the 15th edition of Aero India. You see the skill, the discipline and the fearlessness of the pilots of Indian Air Force, and that's how they are roaring in the skies of Bengaluru, where people from 150 countries have come here to witness the enhancing might of India. The center of attraction at the Aero India is Russia Su-57E aircraft. This is the aircraft that is coming at Aero India for the first time. And when we talk about Su-57E, this is a fifth generation multi-role aircraft. This fighter is a stealth aircraft which is used for multi-operations during a combat. And when we talk about Russia's and India's collaboration, India has been relying upon Russia for a number of its aircraft, be it the Su-30s and other aircrafts also. And now, once again, when India is looking for the fifth generation multi-role aircrafts, Russia's Su-57 is once again here. They are eyeing India as a big market. And not only Russia, but America has sent its fifth generation F-35 fighters to India's Aero India, where 900 exhibits have come from across 150 nations, and Su-57E, which you can see here, is the attraction for the aviation experts, enthusiasts, and also the defense companies who are coming here. So this is the Su-57, and also the representatives of the company are here with the Su-57. Not only for the static display, the Su-57 of Russia will also be maneuvering in the skies of Yelahanka during the Aero India show. That is a 4-day-long Asia's biggest defense expo, which is spread in an area of 42,000 square meters. So the Su-57 and America's F-35, they will be together in the air along with Indian assets, the Indian Air Force's fighter jets. So Su-57, along with these armaments that you can see, the missile systems that can be integrated with Su-57 have also been kept at a display. So Russia is eyeing India as a market because India has to enhance its fighter jet squadron strength, and especially the fifth generation aircraft, though India is also working progressively on its own fifth generation AMCA project, which has come here with a big prototype at the Aero India. It is there for the display, but Su-57 is another attraction at Aero India.
It was a pleasure, of course, to fly the Army Chief, and I think he put a lot of trust in me, who doesn't fly regularly, to come and fly with me, share the cockpit. So, and he's an amazing flyer. I gave him controls, and I think if he had joined the Air Force, he would have been the chief, not me.